Good morning, dear students. This is your English teacher, Miss Sarah.
The Big Top by Molly O'Keefe. Illustrated by Hector Borlasca. Genre: stories that are realistic fiction tell about events that could happen in the lives of real people and animals. This story is about two friends who play together. Question of the week: what can we do with our neighborhood friends? Pam and Dot can hop and hop. 1, 2. They can hop fast. Dot and Pam sat. Dot and Pam are on the mat. A doll sat on the mat. Tip hit the doll. Stop, Tip, stop. A big top sat on the mat. Tip can see it. Dot got the big top. Tip did not like that top. Tip hid. Dot and Pam sat. Tip hit the big top. Tip bit it. Stop, Tip, stop. Pam and Dot stop Tip. Pam and Dot have the big top.
Now, let's answer some questions. Question number 1. What's the title of the story? Excellent. The title of the story is The Big Top. Question number 2. Who are the characters of the story? Excellent. The characters of the story are Dot, Pam, and Tip. Now, question number 3. Where does the story take place? Excellent job. The story takes place outside the house. Now, before we continue answering some questions, I want you to look at the top. Have you ever seen a top? Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Now, question number 4. Who got the big top? Excellent. Dot got the big top. Did Tip like the top? Did he like it? Very good. No, Tip did not like the top. Now the last question. What did Tip do to the big top? Very good. Tip hit the big top. And now let's read the high-frequency words together, and let's put each high-frequency word in a complete sentence. Let's read the first word together. Have. Let's repeat it. Have. Now let's put the word have in a complete sentence. I have an apple. Now let's read the second word. They. Let's repeat it. They. Now let's put the word they in a complete sentence. They are playing football. Now let's read the third word. Are. Let's repeat it. Are. Very good. Now let's put the word are in a complete sentence. We are going to the fish shop. Now let's continue. We still have two high-frequency words. Let's read the first word. To. Let's repeat it. To. Now this word shows the number 2. Let's put the word to in a complete sentence. I see 2 students. If you look at the picture, you can see 2 students. Count them. 1, 2. Very good. Now let's read the last word. That. Remember, if you put T and H together, they make the sound th. So let's read the word together one more time. That. Now let's put the word that in a complete sentence. Can you see that tree on the hill? And now we are going to read the words in the box. Then we're going to pick a word to finish each sentence. And finally, we're going to write the word on the line. So let's read the words together. Are, have, they, that, to. Let's read the first sentence together. I like pretty dog. Which word should I pick from the box to finish this sentence? Excellent! I should pick the word that. I like that pretty dog. Now let's read the second sentence. Sentence number 2. Max and Sam a big top. Let's repeat it. Max and Sam a big top. Which word should I pick from the box to finish this sentence? Excellent! I should pick the word have. Max and Sam have a big top. Now let's read sentence number 3. The cats all black. Let's repeat it. The cats all black. Tell me, which word should I pick from the box to complete this sentence? Excellent! I should pick the word are. Now let's read the complete sentence together. The cats are all black. Very good. Now let's read sentence number 4. Are going to the zoo. Let's repeat it. Are going to the zoo. Which word should I pick from the box to complete this sentence? Excellent. I should pick the word they. Now let's read the complete sentence together. They are going to the zoo. Now let's read the last sentence together. I see giraffes. Let's repeat it. I see giraffes. Which word should I pick from the box to finish this sentence? Very good. I should write the word two, because if you count the giraffes in the picture, there are 2 giraffes. Now let's read this sentence together. I see 2 giraffes. Very good. And now, as a homework, I want you to read the story The Big Top from the YouTube video because you do not have the book. Then, do page 51 in the English notebook and finally practice writing the high-frequency words. When you finish the homework, please submit it to the application through Classroom, not through messages. Thank you. Stay safe.